Did you know that houses without a home security system installed are 3 times as likely to be burglarized? Perhaps most of you watching this video are confident that this is not an alarming issue, but what if I told you that you were wrong? Are you one of those people who have the "it won't happen to me" mentality? Would you be surprised if I told you that a home invasion occurs every 9 minutes in the United States? With the technology available today, this problem can be solved. In this video, our team has compiled the 5 best home security systems that are affordable, reliable, and easy to use. Welcome to another video from my review channel. We are going to compare the best 5 home security systems available today and help you choose the one that's right for you. When you are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get into the video. The first 3 home security systems are affordable and self-installable. First on our list is the SkyLink SK250 alarm. What we love about the SkyLink is its easy, do-it-yourself installation with no monthly fees. With the SkyLink Net smartphone app, its user can arm or disarm the system and monitor the sensor status. Its multiple arming features let you arm away from your home, arm when someone is in your home, or set to a panic mode to immediately sound the alarm. It works with Amazon Echo and is Google Home and IFTTT compatible. This is a big plus because you can integrate the system with your smart home devices. It receives push notifications at any time when the sensors are activated. In case of a power failure, the battery backup allows for all units and sensors to continue operating as a local alarm with an indoor or outdoor solar siren. It has an expandable system which gives you freedom to add up to 100 or more devices at any time. Because of its great features, it surely protects your home in a smart way. It can add up to 10 security cameras to monitor different areas. Like the iSmart and Wink Lookout camera, the SkyLink has the same 3.7 out of 5 consumer reviews on Amazon. The distance and connectivity of the sensors work well. The alarm is loud, and even though it is off, the system can still send push notifications whenever the door sensors are triggered. On the other hand, the motion sensors are not pet immune. It's good, but it also has limitations. For example, it has no ability to save the video to an SD card or to the local computer, and it's impossible to rewind to see what you might have missed. Second on our list of the 5 best home security systems is Wink Lookout Smart Security. The Wink Lookout Smart Security has a Wink app that allows you to take full control in monitoring your home's activity. Wink Lookout sends timely alerts about doors, windows, locks, garage doors, motion within the house, and more, giving you control over your home so that you can quickly decide how to respond when something unexpected occurs. It's easy to set up with specialized pairing technology. Its door and window sensors helps you get notified, and you'll receive instant alerts when motion is detected and when doors or windows are opened. It allows its users to take action, whether you will sound your Wink siren, tap to call 911, or call a contact to see if there's unexpected activity. Also, its siren and chime can flash the built-in light to notify the household. It offers you 10 different sounds to choose from, with adjustable volume and duration. It has an overall 3.7 consumer rating on Amazon. When installed properly, the whole system can be set up in less than 15 minutes. You can simply plug the hub into the router, download the app, and the sirens, door sensor, and motion detector will all connect flawlessly. Third on our list is the iSmart Alarm. The iSmart Alarm wireless home security system is a complete home security solution for smart home users since it's expandable and versatile. You will be able to monitor and observe when a door, window, or cabinet is opened, control the system with easy-to-use handheld controls, and be aware immediately if movement is detected in a specified area. This home security system includes one HD Wi-Fi video camera that records clear video footage, 3 contact sensors, and 1 motion sensor that helps you detect any potential threats. It also has instant notification features, which sends you quick alerts in case of intrusions. It can notify you through phone call, text message, push notification, and email. It has excellent sound recognition, time-lapse, night vision, motion, and sound detection. It comes with free 32GB cloud and local video storage. Its voice control feature is compatible with Alexa. This product has an overall 3.7 consumer rating on Amazon. Users find it very easy to install, and you don't need to be tech savvy to get it done. It is also proven to work intuitively and has a good motion range. Its security alarm is very responsive and trigger in real time. Let's move on with our list. Number 4 is the SimpliSafe Wireless Home Security. This is our choice for a 24/7 alarm monitoring system with a fair price and no contracts. and includes a free cellular link. When you purchase this home security system, all your sensors will work together instantly right out of the box. You can install the sensors in your home and you'll be fully protected within 15 minutes or less. All systems are fully customizable, so you can start with the sensors listed in this package and add more of the sensors when you need, whenever you want. Even if the intruder takes out the keypad, it's not a problem. The Smash Safe will alert the police. It has a combined system of built-in cellular connection and reinforced Wi-Fi that make it twice secured. SimpliSafe has 6 monitoring centers that all work to protect your home. There's no single point of failure here. It's made durable to withstand disaster. Its base station is powerful enough to send you alarm signals. It has a built-in cellular connection, 24-hour battery backup in case of a blackout, and a 95 decibel siren to send you alerts during forced entry attempts. The SimpliSafe keypad can be placed anywhere you want, and there is no plug needed. It has a bright display and backlit keys too, so it's easy to use at night. Its entry sensor protects your window and doors, safely hidden from the view of any would-be intruders. Its highly responsive motion sensor protects your whole room and easily detects the intruders accurately. It has an overall 3.5 consumer review on Amazon. Looking at the people that were satisfied with the product, the SimpliSafe is a great balance of price, ease, and security. It's wireless, easy to install, and has great alarm systems. Last on our list of the best 5 home security systems is the Scout Alarm. The Scout Alarm fits well with a modern home, and we love it for its modern and minimalistic design. You can use it with or without a monitoring system, but bear in mind that this home security system doesn't come with a camera. A distinctive feature of the Scout Alarm system is its door panel sensor that is both an access sensor and an RFID reader. It monitors the opening and closing of the main entry door. The provided RFID key can be placed on your keychain and is used to arm and disarm your Scout from the door panel when you don't have your phone. If you purchase a month-to-month monitoring plan, you'll get an extra layer of security with cellular backup, mobile alerts, and 24/7 emergency response. If you use this system, you can also install it when you don't have an internet connection for an extra fee. The Scout Alarm enables you to control your home from any mobile device, anywhere and anytime. Its motion sensor covers a range of 25 feet with a 90-degree field of view. It can guard multiple entry points and make sure that every angle is covered for protection, and notifies you where there is unexpected activity going on. Your Scout Hub triggers your preset responses, such as a siren or other custom alerts. You can also view details of the event quickly and decide if you need to alert the authorities or not. The Scout Alarm has an overall 3.5 consumer rating on Amazon and other e-commerce stores. This wraps up our list of the best 5 home security systems, and we hope we have helped you choose the one that is right for you. Have you chosen one already? Leave a comment with your choice number. Are you ready to buy any of these home security systems? Look at the text below. We have already looked for the best offers out there for all of them. If you are thinking of buying through Amazon, check out our 30-day trial for Amazon Prime to enjoy free shipping, music streaming, Kindle books, and more. Help us spread the voice. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and tell your friends about it. Together, let's build a growing community. We are looking forward to your comments to improve this review. If you have other products you would like us to look into, just let us know. Our team of experts in each area are always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.